All right, good morning, students. We are back. We're back here with Garage Math with Mr. Garza and T. Good morning. I hope you're doing well. Had a great start to my morning. Here I have T with us this morning. She's probably not going to help much, but she's going to be sneezing everywhere. Apparently, yesterday we talked about triangles and how they're half of a rectangle, and that will help us solve to find their area. Today, problems 16 through 20 something are going to be a little bit trickier, but not much crazier. This is a regular triangle that you see here. Remember, the formula is right over here. Area equals half of the base times the height, or area equals base times height divided by 2. We'll go ahead and solve here. Question number 1. Base is 4, so the area equals 4 times 5 divided by 2. So 4 times 5 is 20. 20 over 2 is going to equal 10, so our area would be 10 inches squared. Thank you for those students that are able to do this and write their answers in the spreadsheet on Google Classroom. That's awesome. Keep that up. Once again, remember, area equals base times height divided by 2. Today's 7 or 8 problems that you're going to have are going to be kind of weird looking shapes. What you could do, or you could try to do if you'd like, just use a different sheet of paper to try to block or cover the other ones out if you'd like. But you can see here it's a weird looking shape, but really we have 3 triangles, and then the directions are going to say something like all 3 triangles are congruent. Remember what the word congruent means. Congruent means the same. So the sides of these triangles and the height, the base, the height, the sides, they're going to be congruent, meaning they're going to be the same. So if the side length from here to here on this triangle, let me go around this triangle here, and then it would be here and here. This triangle here, what I'm looking at here, this triangle right here, if the side length is 1.3 and all these triangles are congruent, then that means that this side length is 1.3 and so is this side length over here. And since the height of this triangle is 2.2, that tells me that the height here of this triangle is also going to be 2.2. So I could solve the area of this first triangle by using the formula base times height divided by 2. So I know that the height of this triangle is 2.2. I know that the base is 1.3, so it's going to be 1.3 times 2.2, that's 6, that's 2, there's my 0, that's 6, that's 2, add that up. 1 decimal, 1 decimal, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2.86. When I multiply that, but remember now I have to divide that by 2 to get the area of the triangle, so it would be 2.86 divided by 2. How many 2's going to 2 is 1. Bring up my decimal, how many 2's going to 8? That's 4. How many 2's going to 6? That's 3. So the area of this triangle here would be 1.43, and for meters squared would be the area of this one triangle. But the directions, remember, are going to say that all 3 triangles are congruent. So we have 1, 2, 3 triangles that are the exact same. In this case, I don't see any other numbers that are different, so I'm going to take this number here, 1.43, and add it 2 more times. So then I would have 1.43 plus 1.43 plus 1.43, that would be 9, 12, 4. 4.29. So the area here would be 4.29 meters squared for the whole, or the area of all this surface. And I will be on today again, just like yesterday. Shoot me a message, click on the Zoom link if you need to video chat Jose, that was awesome yesterday. Our video chat yesterday, man. I was pretty jacked up for you. I was pretty pumped up for you, man. Good to see you yesterday. I hope everybody else is doing well. If you have any other questions on triangles and finding the area of triangles, make sure that you send me a message and let me know so that I could help you. Yesterday's assignment is due today. Completed 1 through, I think it's 25 or 24. Complete it all. Write your answers in the spreadsheet so that I could correct it tonight, and I will send it back, and then tomorrow we'll have another lesson on geometry. If you have any other questions, make sure you let me know. Go Hawks. Have a great day.